Okay, so by the title of this video, we're going to, where are we going? First Monday? We're gonna do some video and take pictures. It's so awkward filming in the bathroom. Okay guys, so we stopped at Walmart before we go to First Monday. What are we getting?
We get Mars slide. Onion.
No, well, I thought we got onions inside the Mars and prawns. You like a what? A size? No, Dad was getting her some tennis shoes. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we found her some like sneakers. You can see over there. We got her some sneakers, but we're trying to find her some slides. And this slide section here is garbage for kids. I don't know what that is. No, but we gotta find her some slides. I used to wear those in school. Wait. Oh, I love these. I had a pair of these. I gotta pull up. Do you want a pair of these? You know they're not even your size. You want a pair of these? You want to find a pair of these? Yeah. All right. Okay, we're looking on the girls' side. Oh, here it is. They have different colored ones. But you gotta go like down. I think these are women's size shoes. Hello. Hi, Nat.
I want those. I want to get those.
Oh, I like the color on those. Those are cute.
Got small feet.
These are 12.
Yeah. Anya's trying to find a pair of slides, but they're not. The only size of those shoes that she wants is in women's. Okay, instead of the white ones, Anya ended up getting these pink ones. Thank you. You're welcome. So now we're going to find her a shirt, and then we're going to, I don't know what we're getting Mari, but we're finding her a shirt. It's currently 3:45. So now we're like finding shirts and stuff. What?
I need to get a bigger size.
Oh, then she got to get either a 4 to 5 or, because that's all they have. They have only half sizes.
I'm trying to find a Reebok because they on one of these end caps.
Okay, so we have to find a new pair of those pink slides because they're like a 2 to 3. They're not a exact 3. They only come in half sizes, which makes no sense. We're heading to the women's section to pick me out a shirt. That over there. At First Monday, and we just parked here at this little parking spot. Why there's nobody at the little, over here, at the little thing, you see it says parking $5, right? Why is there nobody there? They're supposed to collect the money and there's nobody there. Let's get out. But look across the street. Look at that. It's exciting. But we're gonna walk for like 2 hours because we have other stuff to do after this, but we're gonna walk for 2 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, you ain't got nothing.
I'm wearing my jewelry. Can't even see it. There it is.
I gotta get my phone out.
Look, you're wearing my jewelry. Ow! Yeah, I made that.
Hey.
Say hi, Anya.
Hi.
Mari, say hi to the vlog. But look at the bag he made. It's supposed to be a messenger's bag because you see that?
Satchel.
Yeah, it's a messenger bag. A messenger bag, satchel, they're gonna call it. But he turned it into a backpack.
I didn't turn it into a backpack. All I did was flip it back and it was out of a backpack.
And look at his Minecraft fit. The whole fit.
I don't even know how this got here. I didn't know how this got here. I didn't eat nothing.
That's good though.
Oh, my
That's
bad.
Dad's fit. He got the Adidas shoes on, the Adidas pants with the.
Doing much. I'm just kicking it. I'm just
Yeah, we
Then we got the Minecraft fit.
Watch out, far.
I'm just chilling. Minding my own business, you know what I'm saying? Me and the family out. We just out and about doing what we do. This is Survival Junkie 2 at its finest, baby. See you later.
And then we got Anya's fit.
Hey, y'all.
Anya, posted a picture. Ghetto. New kick. And then we got Nanette's fit. She holding my purse because she loves me like that. And then we got Mama's fit. Mama, show them your fit. She got her little exercise suit on. Her crop jacket.
See, that's the car.
It looks like an exercise suit. Hey, I got an icy from
Babe, look at this on top.
Snowy. And this is like the food area.
That could be a camper.
Oh look, Joe Mama's. And then I got like hardware. I got cheesecake flavored. Anya, what'd you get?
Put that brain free.
I get blueberry.
If you don't finish yours, Mom,
Okay.
I'll take the rest if you don't finish it.
Yeah, Mama got blueberry. And then Mari, what'd you get?
Oh, his is good.
Cherry.
His is good and food.
So we have to walk up that hill.
Is it still open?
But say hello. We've been walking for like an hour. Hour and 30 minutes. Oh, the pie place. I want some fried cheese. Y'all, look at this dress. Don't play. Don't play. With the square neckline too. And look at this dress. Look at that one. I don't know about. Wait, hold on, not that one. That one. I don't know about that one. Oh, and I love that one too. And I love that skirt. Oh my god. Don't even. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm still in the same store that I was in like 10 minutes ago.
Tippy, this is yours.
And these dresses are cute. And then like, look at this midi skirt. I love this midi skirt.
Wait, this is a mini skirt?
Yeah. And then it's like a $10 sale rack. You can see that? There you go. Then these dresses here. It's just so cute in here. I love all the clothes. And then this blanket. Oh my god.
Tippy, look at this.
I love this
What about
blanket.
this?
I'm gonna buy me one of these blankets. Say hi, Maury.
Hey, Mari.
Then there's this blanket. Look at this one. And then this one. Oh my god. Yeah. Have some what?
This. I got two things. Don't eat.
Oh, that's good. It's like apples. Probably because it is apples. See, look, and then there's this blanket. I think that's pretty much the same blanket. Look at that one. It's really pretty. Oh, excuse me. I love it in here. It's so pretty. I love the vintage look too, like all the stuff hanging. It's like the halter of the camera. I just had a blue popsicle. Yeah, party, she just went around. Big boots and a birthday pot. Okay, I'll stop. Anyway, they're probably wondering where I am. Like, look at it. What's up here? Dad's hunting retreat. Look. I love this. Heading back up. Oh my god, look at all the crochet beads and stuff. That's what crochet is. I love crochet. Hi. Okay, so we're heading up this hill again. We're on our way back to the car. It was hot, surprisingly. It didn't even rain that much, to be honest. But now we're walking back to the car, so yeah. We gotta run. We're crossing the road. Okay. I'm coming. I'm literally right behind you. No man left behind. No man left behind.